In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. Whether you're starting a new website or looking to move your existing domain to a more robust platform, buying a domain through Cloudflare is a straightforward process that can provide enhanced security and performance. So, let's get started and walk through this together. First, the journey begins at the Cloudflare homepage. To get there, open up your web browser and type in Cloudflare's main web address. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a menu on the left side of the screen, which will be our primary navigation tool throughout this process. Next, on the left side of this menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Domain Registration and click on it. This section is where the magic happens. It's where you can explore the world of domains ready for registration. Cloudflare offers a user-friendly experience, ensuring that even newcomers can navigate the registration process without any hiccups. Having clicked domain registration, you will be directed to a page where you can register new domains. You should see a button that reads Register Domains. Click on this button, which will take you to a search bar. Here you'll have the opportunity to type in the domain name you wish to purchase. It's worthwhile to brainstorm a few different options, as your first choice may already be taken. If that's the case, Cloudflare provides a handy feature that shows you a list of available alternatives, helping you find something perfect for your needs. After selecting a domain that's right for you, Cloudflare allows you to manage your domains conveniently. Once you've registered your domain, you'll want to click on Manage Domains. This section allows you to view your newly acquired domain and offers a host of settings and tools to configure it just the way you like. You can adjust DNS settings, set up redirection rules, and monitor your domain's performance to ensure it's running smoothly. Finally, it's good to know that Cloudflare also offers an option to transfer domains if you've registered elsewhere but want to consolidate here for better management and performance. By clicking on Transfer Domains, you can bring over your existing domains to take advantage of Cloudflare's security features and services all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. By following these steps, you can not only secure a domain, but also set your website up for superior security and performance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy domain hunting.